unconscious. He stabbed the dad.
Dude, drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Hi, officer.
Hey, what's going on?
My mom called about my brother.
Oh,
He's schizophrenic.
yeah.
He did this a couple months ago. He attacked my dad.
Okay.
Called my dad and he answered the phone.
Hold on. You just kind of give us a little rundown. What happened?
I believe he attacked my dad. I don't doubt he stabbed
now?
him 10 years ago. He almost killed him. He stabbed him. He went to prison for a few years.
Okay.
Came out, went back to prison because he beat my mom. Came out, beat my dad up 2 months ago. Nothing happened. And then now he's probably doing the same thing.
Okay.
I'll take the keys. Hey, dude. Where's my dad right now?
Hello?
Dude,
Hello? Hey, come out.
What's it?
Joshua. Hey, Joshua, come out. Come outside, dude. Come talk to us. Hey, it's me, Benito, dude. Come talk to me. Come outside. It's police officer. Come outside, dude. Come talk to me, eh? Let's just have a conversation, make sure you're okay, and that's it. Can you come outside with your hands up? Joshua.
Are you guys waiting for backup?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna go in myself, man.
Just stand by. Stand by, bro.
My dad could be dying right now.
No, look. Listen, bro.
Look, bro, this is my dad.
I get it.
Okay, if you guys are scared or worried or whatever,
No.
then do that.
The thing
But
is,
I'm not.
there's certain things that we have to do and get.
Okay, but you
and
can't
get-
stop me from going in.
Bro, look.
You can't stop me from going in.
All right, well,
Hey, sir, just wait up. We're gonna open the door.
hey, just wait up, bro.
We're gonna go inside. Just wait over there.
Just wait, bro.
Last thing we want is something to happen to you too.
Nothing's gonna happen to me.
Here. Just wait, dude. We'll go in there, dude. Don't worry about
Dad,
it.
unlock the door.
Yeah.
You said no firearms, right?
No, there's no firearms. My dad doesn't know me. We always consent.
And you need government?
Yeah, I got you.
10-8-99
He said my dad's in the bathroom. This is the bathroom right here to your left, but he's probably the one down the hallway.
Hey, Josh, hey, do me a favor, go back. Hey, Joshua, it's the Los Angeles Police Department. Come out with your hands up. Joshua, it's the Los Angeles Police Department. Come out with your hands up.
So we got it. Joshua, come out.
21-843 traffic stop
Oh, sorry.
Platinum Victory John 10 be ready 0.
Hey, you see that unit already here?
It's going to be related to another incident. There's 2 units.
No response code 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it. Just take the cover. 1039 Roger. Can you expedite the response code 3? We have a possible victim inside due to the history. Hey, come on!
To the right. Hey, drop it! Drop the knife, man. Drop the knife.
Right hand.
Hold on, let me open it.
Get the dad out. Call the dad out.
He's opening up with the dad.
Hey, drop it!
Dad looks unconscious.
Hey, just know that we have
I'm holding it down.
Drop the knife, bro. Drop the
Or else
knife.
you're gonna get shot.
Hey, get the
Drop the knife.
Scissors in the right hand. Dad is on the bed. He looks unconscious. He's stabbing
Drop it!
the dad.
Dude, drop the knife!
Drop
it!
He's stabbing.
Drop it!
Drop it.
Ready?
We're gonna